Okay, talk about yourself.
Yeah, hi, Shan. First of all, it was a great opportunity to take a course under Grotech Minds. It was my dream to take educated by Manish Kumar sir. So myself, Anusha, I'm from Bangalore. Currently, I was working as a software engineer. So I was thinking to switch my career to automation testing. So I have chose Grotech Minds, and now my course got completed and I'm giving my viva here. I was grateful to have an opportunity like this.
Okay. So you have actually 4 year of experience as a
Yeah.
manual tester. So can you talk about what all projects you did?
I have till now I have worked on two companies. Like first one is the domain banking domain. First project is banking domain, and the second one is education related one. So in our like I have already relieved from my organization, and where I was working on a Pariksha project. It is completely related to education platform where we will be having assessments and all. So there we will be performing like all manual related testings like function testing, integration testing, regression testing, positive and negative testing, exploratory testing, everything related to manual testing we will be performing. So we will be following agile methodologies in our organization. So like we will perform daily scrum calls and we will be joining the scrum calls and discussing what and all need to be done and what have been done and what and all issues are in pending, like what's need to be done and what's not to be done, like that we will be discussing. So whenever we get the requirement, we go through like once development is done, developer will release the build, and after receiving the build we will go to Jenkins for getting the war file for the continuous integration and continuous deployment process. So I will be taking care of that continuous integration and continuous deployment process manually. After deploying the build, I will be going through all the requirements, like each and every requirement is like what I will go through all the requirements and I will note down the scenarios and I will perform, like I will note down the test cases also. After making all things done, I will perform my testing. If everything is working as expected, then I will get review my test cases with the manager, and if he is okay and every test case is meeting the requirements, then we will close the ticket. If while testing if I face any issue or any defect or anything is not working as expected, then I will parallelly reach to the developer who has worked on it, and also I will make sure that I will be raising ticket in Jira. So and also I will be sharing that piece of log to the developer to help, like it will be easy to like what we can say, uh, mm, uh, the reason for the behind the issue. When we share the piece of log to the developer, it will be easy to find out where we are facing the issue. So, and he will be working on the developing, and then he will really release the new build, and I will be proceeding with the retesting, and the same procedure we will be following.
Okay, how many team members were there in your that banking that sorry that education project?
Only testers are four. We have team of four. With the developers, we have team of 10.
Okay, so how many testers?
Four.
Four testers. Okay.
Mm.
All four are manual testers or somewhere automation testers and performance testers?
I will be performing manual testing. I will be taking care of manual testing, and the other teammate will be taking of performance testing, and the other teammate will be taking care of that testing and also implementing the. We will be creating applications also, like secured web browser applications like that. To avoid the hacking things, that person will be working on developing that application, and my manager will be taking care of automation things.
Okay. So can you can you write one program to launch Amazon website? Select for shoes and search for and select the second choice of shoes after list of shoes, then go to up to the payments page.
Okay.
You open
I'm
Eclipse
sharing
and
my
share
screen.
screen.
Yeah, yeah. I'm writing in the Java thing only. Like I'm not doing in the Maven. Do you want me to do in the Maven project or Java
No,
project?
in the Java.
Java is fine.
Yes, fine.
There is one more method to use this handle auto suggestion.
Hmm.
As of now, I was not able to recall that. Like we need to do fetch from
No,
the
no
gap.
need to use auto suggestion. Just click on just search shoes, then press enter, and after that, from the list of shoes, select the second shoe.
Okay, 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 okay. Ishan, here I need to switch like control to child this
Yeah,
ID.
yeah.
Uh, I was not able
Should
to.
be like driver dot switch to Windows. That's the
I
syntax.
was trying to. Okay, 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 okay.
Hmm.
Do I need to write sign in also?
Hmm. Yeah, you can do in DDT if DDT is there. Sign in is the problem. So it demands sign in.
Yeah. But here I have these all things. Will I be able to fetch? Like I will let me try.
Hmm.
Ishan, I have copy pasted this one. If you want me to write also, I can write.
Yeah, okay, fine. Only by ID instead of XPath.
But by ID it is showing two things. So I have written XPath.
Okay.
See.
Can you show that look what XPath it is means?
Okay, let me try with ID. Yeah, yeah, Ishan.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, write another program to launch Orange HRM website and use the parallel testing concept. And also fill up the username name and password as given in that Orange HRM. Okay, I'm
Sorry,
sharing
what?
you that URL. You need to launch it and fill up the username password as mentioned and use parallel testing to run.
Ishan, I was able to remember the concept, but here I was not able to implement because see,
Okay.
uh, after implementing the test cases, once test case is done, we will select all the test cases and we will be
Hmm.
generating testng XML. So, with the help of parallel equal to test, we will be calling these parallel things. Now, what
Hmm.
we will do is with the help of parameter, we will pass the name as browser and value as Chrome, and we will copy these all test classes methods entire thing into
Hmm.
multiple like here like this.
Hmm. Okay.
So now here I will add edge.
Hmm.
Again, I will copy this one and I will do that Firefox here.
Okay.
So, okay. Now, for this, we will be creating before method and after method, before method and after method. So, in before method, what we will do is like we will call the parameters like this, and the test also we will be having, and the before test we will be not having in that. So, we will just call parameters and also before method, and then what we will do is we will write a method like a launch thing, launch orange live, we will write name, and
Hmm.
then in the parameters we will pass string like this, string name. So now inside that method we will write thing like if browser is equal to Chrome, launch Chrome dot this browser is equal or no, name equals to Chrome, then launch Chrome browser we will write like
Hmm.
here we will write webdriver driver globally, and then so we used to call here if name equals to Chrome, we will try to launch driver equal to new Chrome driver. Like this we will do for like this.
Yeah. If name of browser name dot equals not equal to, it should be that dot equals method.
Yeah, dot equals. Yes, yes, I forgot.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need to practice this parallel testing program once.
Yeah, for project also I have not done this due to lack of time. I will practice this for sure.
Okay.
But I was aware of this concept, but by implementing was I was a bit low.
Okay. So can you talk about as what is assertion?
Assertion is nothing but comparing the actual result with the expected result. We will use assertion for each and every test cases, whether the test case is pass or fail. If you want, I will show where I have used.
Hmm. In your project, can have you used assertion?
Yes.
Okay, can you just show?
So here I will show the login one. Valid login. So in the source file, I have located all the elements. Here I have located all the elements and I have created methods. In the test case, I was calling this one
Hmm.
boolean, that one. After logging to the Amazon, I want to this flight page should be visible. If it is visible, then the test case is like login is successful,
Hmm.
like this. So here I have used return type as a boolean. So I have used a return keyword to get the value. So here I will get the value as true. So if B1 is true, the expected results also be true. Now the test case will pass.
Hmm. Okay. So what is a test ng listener?
test engine listener will like whatever the test cases we write, whatever the things we do in the Maven project, test this listener will do monitoring all the things. Mainly we use this test listener to capture the to capture the screenshots with the help of takes a screenshot class. So when the test case is pass, it will take the screenshot, and if the test case is fail also, it will take the screenshot and it saves in the respected folder.
Mm, okay. How many types of listeners we have?
We have multiple types of listeners like listener, I report listeners, I hookable. Mainly testers are we use the testers we use is I test listener. The remaining listeners is used by the developers mainly.
Okay. What is data provider annotation?
Data provider annotation is nothing but like if we want to like do set of um, we want to do the testing with a set of data, we can use the data provider. If you are asking about the DTD means we to fetch the values from the Excel, we can use this DTD concept, and the data provider is an annotation which we use to perform the testing with the multi set of data. Like suppose if I am logging into the Facebook with the three set of data like correct username, correct password, correct username, correct wrong password, wrong username, correct password. With the three set at a time, it will test with the three set of data.
Okay. Mm. Okay, Anusa, thank you. You are very good in theory as well as you are good in programming. But parallel testing concept you need to practice one more
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. Ishan, is this will be like final viva or Manish sir also will take the
Yeah,
viva?
this is your final viva
Okay,
as
okay.
of now. Otherwise, you can ask him that
Okay,
you have done with viva.
okay. Like I
Okay.
will just mention that in the group I have done my viva with Ishan. Like is this will be the final viva or can I ask like that?
Yes, you can ask.
Okay, okay,
And
sure.
can you give me a video demonstration of that parallel testing program? Do you have the
Video like
program? Means in the Zoom you create a Zoom meet and record it and explain how it is done. Run the program and explain the programming code.
okay, okay.
Okay.
After this call I have to
After
do
this
that
call,
thing.
yes, after this call. After
Okay,
if you
whatever
do
I
that
have done.
if you do that and share it to me in my mail, then I will you will be passed in this way.
Okay, okay. I have the code. I will do this right away.
Okay.
Okay, Ishan.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.